We are at the tail end of handing over this stadium, so what we are doing is actually giving it a final look and final touch by adding or painting the national color, because this is an international stadium. I want to say that this stadium has achieved its international standard, and it is going to open this place for economic support to the community. First, there will be international teams that will be coming in here. There will be local teams that will be training here. And it's going to create a lot of activities around economic areas of this place. So it's a game changer. The second thing is that this facility will have provided a lot of employment to the people. As you can see, all these people who have been constructing here have been tapped. It's a resource that have been tapped from the community and has created a lot of employment. Therefore, we want to thank all stakeholders that have been involved, mainly also the president, this being the flagship project. We've got the Sport Kenya, we've gotten a lot of support from the national government, from the ministry, and we are therefore very grateful.